First game of the night. Nice. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Round 1. Dude. So we did the extrav, insight. We're gonna dump the wyvern to add the red eyes fusion. Activate red eyes fusion for Dragoon. Dump the dark magician and red eyes black dragon from my hand. You go Shoken. Red eyes dark dragoon. Ooh, I need one card to set. Okay. I don't think I need this. I don't know. Solemn Strike, eh? Dark Ruler no more will be discarded for Dragoon. Then I'm using the Necrovalley Dragoon. In Simo's video. We'll do the Necrovalley. Activate with Metaverse. The heck is that? Ben 10? Alpha Ben 10. No. I wanted to do 100 episodes with Drytrons, but I did 90 episodes with Drytron. But Necrovalley just shuts down Drytron. Ben 10? Yeah, I think I'll negate that. I'll do the strike. If I do it with Dragoon, it's not gonna destroy it, and so I won't gain the 1000 because it's already in the grave. It's dawn night. He's already normal summon, so. Torrential Tribute. Yeah, go ahead. It's gonna dump Gamma, but he can't. Shit. What episode is this? I think this is a 91. Yeah. Nope, not happening. You're gonna bend 10, what are you trying to get? Orange light. And you. Toro! Woohoo! Royal tribute. Sorry, buddy. Royal tribute. I hope he just discards all of his hand. Discard it. Woohoo! He did! Oh my god! Royal tribute. Battle. Dragoon. Direct attack. Turn and go. That's ridiculous. This card is... wow. He sets a card. Hold on. Dodo! I should add another one. No. Dragoon. Activate effect. Pop and burn. No attack. Bang. Battle. Dragoon direct attack. Ooh. Turn and go. There's one card. That's not gonna work, dude. Let's Duel wins. Flawless victory. I guess that's not really a flawless victory if I took life points, no? Supreme victory. Why is this TCG? Like when I transferred the deck from EDO Pro, it said OCG. Then I looked it up and there was a TCG and OCG. They looked exactly the same. Everything was the same, but one says TCG and one says OCG for some reason. I don't know. Troll and Lockwood really shuts him down. Like this. One. Two. And three. Oh, he's a 10-31 and I'm a 12-12. Come on. Round two. Dude. Oh my god. I don't want to save this for last. Alpha ultimateness, alpha effect. Yep, get the Ben 10. Nova. Who's he getting? Zeta. Oh, Gamma. It's gonna link Karibo. Gamma. Oh, Manju. Okay, so he's not doing the Vanity's Ruler. He's already normal summoned. Unique. No IP mask. Hey, Masquerena. Gamma Ben 10. Ben 10. Gamma special and then Ben 10. It's going to add one light fairy Mons, another Ben 10. Okay. Meteorus Drytron. For ultimateness, okay. Meteorus Drytron, decrease, add from grave. Access code, whoa. Oh wow, a link monster used. Cannot be destroyed by card effects. What? What? Set 3 and Fernando. IP Masquerena. Wow. Torrential Tribute. Damn it. Royal Tribute? Yeah, Royal Tribute. Okay. Ah! Damn! IP Masquerena. I'm gonna have to try to get over the 4,300 access code talker. Ah, oh. Solemn strike. Oh god. It's gonna attack 2150. Oh come on. Give me something. Dodo! Oh, I knew I wanted extravagance. I'm on pot of greed. Pot of greed. Yes. Oh, he went back to 23. He went back to 23. That's cool. That's really cool. Add one gear. Yeah, let's go. Necrovalley throne. Activate. Commandant. Commandant. Okay. Commandant. Discard, add the Necrovalley. We're gonna activate the Necrovalley. And we're gonna red eyes inside. No. Send one what? Red eyes monster from hand or deck. It's gonna be Wyvern, add the red eyes fusion. Red eyes fusion. Dragoon. Dark Magician. Red eyes Black Dragon. Fusion summon. I was like, was it fusion? Pop. IP Masquerena. Shenanigan. Battle. I think that Forbidden Droplet really helped. He was at 43 before, so tune in. This game, you can't do anything in the grave because of Necrovalley. It's ridiculous. Do I do the royal tribute? No. I think I'll save it. I think he has something. Battle. Dragoon, direct attack. Tenendo. Let's duel wins. Supreme victory. Okay. I was at, where was I? 12-12, and now I'm at 12-26. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, if you liked it. See you guys.